My name is Sanjay, 21BPS51. I'm here to explain about the analysis of a company. The company that I have taken is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. In this, we will get to know about the introduction of the company, capital structure of the company, balance sheet of the company, profit and loss for the last 5 years of the company, dividends declared by the company, and finally, about the conclusion. Now let us understand the introduction part. Mahindra & Mahindra Limited is an Indian multinational automotive manufacturing corporation. It is listed on stock exchange, that is on Bombay Stock Exchange it is listed as 500520, and on National Stock Exchange it is listed as M&M. The headquarters of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited is situated in Mumbai. It was established in the year 1945 as Mahindra and Mohammed, and later it was changed as Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. The founder of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited is Kailash Chandra Mahindra, Jagdish Chandra Mahindra, and Malik Ghulam Mohammed. Mahindra and Mahindra is a part of Mahindra Group. Presently, Mr. Anish Shah as the MD and CEO of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. Mahindra & Mahindra Limited is one of the largest vehicle manufacturers by production in India. Its subsidiary Mahindra Tractors is one of the largest manufacturers of tractors in the world by volume. Now let us understand what and all vehicles are manufactured by Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. When it comes to pickup vehicles, one among the vehicles are Bolero pickup, Bolero camper, and etc. When it comes to SUVs, Mahindra & Mahindra Limited manufacture XUV 700, Thar, XUV 300, Scorpio, and etc. When it comes to small commercial vehicles, they produce Triozor, Alpha Passenger, G2, Supra Maxi Truck, and many more. When it comes to electric vehicle, they manufacture Trio, E-Verito, etc. When it comes to trucks, they manufacture Blazo, Tipper, Furio, Jayo, and many more. When it comes to buses, they manufacture Cruisio, Cruisio Grande, and many more. Now let us understand the capital structure of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. From the table, we can see that the company had kept its authorized capital as 600 crore from the year 2015 to 2017. During this year, the company had decided to raise its capital by selling some part of its authorized capital in the form of equity instruments. During the year 2017 to 18, the company had increased its authorized capital to 4050 crore for future development purposes to its shareholders. As a result, the company of total shares have increased from 593,610,527 shares to 1,189,933,026 shares. Currently, the market value of each share is rupees 924 and its face value is rupees 5. This tells us that the company can raise more funds from the public by selling a portion of company authorized capital, as a company has sufficient capital for research and development purposes. Now let us understand the financial statement of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited. We get to know that the company has increased its asset from year after year, that is from 2018 to 2021. This shows us that an increase in size of asset indicates that the company is performing well, as the total current asset has increased from 30,942.28 crore to 39,276.50 crore, and total current asset has increased from 16,474.47 crore to 20,312.30 crore. This indicates us that the company goes for the liquidity, it can clear all the liabilities. Now let us understand the liability part of the balance sheet. The data shows us the company has decreased its non-current liability from 9,953 crores to 9,349 crores, which shows us that the company is trying to keep its outsiders' debt under control. It also shows us that the company's current liability has increased from 15,133 crore to 18,820 crore, which shows that the company has taken short-term loan for doing day-to-day activities. To conclude, we can tell that the company's asset is more than liabilities, that is 59,588 crore and 28,169 crores. This shows us that the company is financially strong as the assets is more than the liabilities. Now let us understand the net profit of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited of past 5 years. From the diagram, we can see that the net profit earned by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited from the year after year, that is from 2017 to 2021, it shows that the company has increased its profit from the year 2017 to 2019, and then the profits have declined from the year 2020 onwards. In this year 2020, the net profit was reported as 1,330 crore, which was less when compared to the preceding years. This happened due to adversely impacted by coronavirus pandemic, and the company says the one of the reason is that they had a low pipeline inventory coupled with challenges of ramping up production due to supply chain issues. This affected its sales. Even though during pandemic, the company has survived by making a bit of profit during the year 2021. Now let us understand the dividends declared by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited for the past 5 years. The data shows us that the company has been declaring dividends constantly from year after year. It shows us the company declares only once in a year, especially during the month of May and June. The dividend declared during the year 2017 is recorded to be the highest when compared to the other years. Dividend declared during 2020 is low because of the pandemic hit around the world, and there was a error in the supply chain which affected the company's sales. Now the company is back to the track. It has declared 8.75 rupees as dividend, which is pretty good for shareholders. So we can expect that the company may declare constant dividends in the upcoming future. Now let us understand the earnings per share of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. During the year 2017, the company's earnings per share was 36 rupees, and it has increased in the year 2018 as 40 rupees. But in the 2019 and 20, it was pretty low when compared to the 2017 and 18. In 2019 it was 11 rupees, and in 2020 it was 2 rupees, which is due to the lack of supply chain that was faced by Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. But in 2021 it has shown a good return, that is 41 rupees. The company has given a good returns from year after year. When we come to a conclusion, we can tell that by analyzing Mahindra & Mahindra Limited, we get to know that this company focuses on development of society especially the rural sector. For instance, Mahindra Tractor is largest manufacturer of tractors in the world by volume. It focuses on selling these tractors to Indian farmers at reasonable price with lot of benefits. Second, when it comes to protecting the environment, Mahindra Limited has taken an initiative to manufacture EV vehicle model which contributes to a pollutionless society. Finally, it is safe for an investor to invest his capital into this company because the company is fundamentally very strong and it has also been able to survive during the pandemic to an extent. The investor can expect a better return from a long term perspective as the company has come up with new projects and policy. And finally, thank you for listening.